Yes, we are live. We can start, Shweta, madam.
Okay, namaste everyone. I welcome
Namaste.
you all. I welcome you all to the Global Yoga Festival on behalf of Swasti Yoga Center. Initiative taken by Dr. Vikas Jyoti sir and Dr. Shwetambari Jyoti ma'am. Myself, Mrs. Shweta Yole. I'm certified yoga wellness instructor by Ministry of Ayush. I'm a part of Swasti family from around 3 years. As we all know that we Swasti Yoga Center celebrating 75 years of Indian independence launching a year-long celebration, which includes different guest lecturers. They support us by giving their valuable time and by providing their knowledge. Am I audible, sir? Sorry, Karan.
Yes, Shweta ji, you can go ahead.
Okay. The Global Yoga Festival is nothing but this is a program which gives a global platform to all of us, which includes question answer sessions, many types of topics included. There are so many guest lecturers, which gives us a knowledge about many topics. So it is a very huge platform. We really thanks to Mr. Jyoti sir and ma'am for this. Over to you, Jyoti sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, Shweta ji. So today it's a very wonderful, auspicious occasion because our program, Global Yoga Festival, is also being blessed by our beloved guru, Professor Dr. P.H. Kulkarni sir. He has been into the field of Ayurveda and teaching and promoting Ayurveda for almost around 4 decades. It has been, our generation is the 6th generation which has learned Ayurveda and all these important Indian traditional sciences from them. So we will just we will play the recording of the message which is shared by our beloved Professor Guruji, Dr. P.H. Kulkarni sir.
Namaskar. I am Professor Panduranga Hari Kulkarni from Pune, India. At the outset, let me welcome you all for this Global Yoga Festival, and I wish to congratulate the great organizers of this festival, Dr. Vikas and Dr. Shwetambari Jyoti. It is a wonderful topic for discussion of this festival, Ayurveda and Yoga at modern times. Ayurveda is very useful for healthy life. Yoga is very essential for healthy life. Balancing of body and mind is the aim of both Ayurveda and Yoga sciences. Food intake, some exercise, mind functioning, thinking process. These three to balance for healthy and happy life. Ayurveda and yoga are there for many thousand years and will help in modern times to the next generation for many, many years. I wish this festival the most grand success. I wish you all happy and healthy life every day. Thank you. Namaskar.
Yes. It's really an honor. Professor is 88 years old, and there's no continent in this world where he has not been taught and he does not have his patients. Even from the Arctic and the Antarctica, such kind of places also he has had his patients. So it's really an honor for us to have the legendary person and have his message. So I now hand over the stage to Shweta ji to continue with the program.
Thank you, sir. Our today's topic is role of preconception yoga for good health, and our guest speaker is Mrs. Rajshree Karva, ma'am. I would like to give brief introduction about ma'am. Mrs. Rajshree P. Karva has been student of Swasti Yoga Center and wants to grow a seed of yoga in people. Along with that, she is doing pregnancy yoga course from Swasti Yoga Center. Rajshree is a 32 years old, living in Chalisgaon. She is multi-talented woman, doing choreography, painting, makeup artist, and most valuable work making a home. In this path, she is spreading the knowledge of yoga and motivates everyone for life skills. Today, she is going to guide us about role of preconception yoga for good health. So I request you, ma'am, please take over the session. Please share your valuable thoughts with us and start the session with prayer. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shweta ma'am, for the nice introduction of mine. Thank you very much. We will chant Omkar chanting for 3 times and then Patanjali prayer first, and then we will go by the today's topic. Let's start. Sit in a comfortable pose. Close your eyes. In Dhyan Mudra. Inhale. Exhale. Let's start with the Omkar chanting. Inhale. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मूलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योगाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलि प्राञ्जलिप्राणतोऽस्मि. Rub your palm. Put your palms on your eyes. Open your eyes behind your palms. Good evening, everyone. Today's topic is role of preconception yoga for the good health. Let's start. What is the preconception? Preconception means pre means before and conception means conceive. It's all of the conceive. It's all about the before pregnancy. What should I do or what to do not. Preconception care is the provision of biomedical, bio, behavioral, and social health interventions to women and couples before conception occurs. Basically, it is a guidance given to the couple for all aspects of planning and preparing for very smooth pregnancy and a healthy baby too. It is also very important for who having a second child, especially who having a poor and hard to conceive or the outcome in previous attempts. They really need the preconception care. The health and the nutrition intake of mother to be, it affects the growth and the development of a baby. And the main feature is body mass index, the nutritional status and the lifestyle of the woman or the both parents. We are in yoga actively prepare the body for the smooth pregnancy and address if there is any risk factors at all. Now we will go for the how we can connect the yoga for the preconception for the conception in day-to-day life. Yoga means what? Yoga comes from yuj. Yuj means union. In process of conception, what happens? It's male and female came together. It's a type of a union. The idea of a conception is not at all about the physical relation, but also the mental, emotional, spiritual too. Even today's particular idea of a conception, only we think about the semen testing, mortality of a male. As far as a female, still focusing on the physical aspects only. But it is very important that these issues not only depends on a physical aspects. Some researchers are prone that now mental compatibility, emotional compatibility also required for the good and a healthy baby too. For example, if the couple having the relationship problems that affects on the body actually and mental too, because the in family issues also there, every family having the issue, but that is the that should not affect on our body when you are going to conceive the baby. If all couples are facing these problems, there are chances of the miscarriages. There are 4 types that we have to include, like a rutu is called the season, kshetra is for soil, ambu for the water, and bija is seed. Season means what? In season, we can include the age matters, cycle of the menstrual cycle, and ovulation. Age and the soil means reproductive organs should be healthy, and water is fertility of and nutrition. And bija means seed, the quality of semen and the ovum. Now we will go for the infertility. What is the causes of the infertility in day-to-day life right now? Infertility is getting quite common in these days. Nowadays, today's modern lifestyle, we're running around sitting on a one place because of the work from home and we are working for the offices and all. Just because of that, body not get relaxed, not getting exercise, even the mind also not calm and peace. Yoga deals with these and it's very effective for these things. Now we will know the infertility means what. and infertility, it only occurs to the only female? No, it's not like that. It occurs to the both male and female. It may be in a female or it may be in a male too. Both are responsible as per today's lifestyle. Couples are really couples are really want a baby. What are the lifestyle change and attitude towards the life? By doing yoga, delivering the child only healthy. By doing yoga, delivering the child only healthy, but genetic transmission happens in such a way that after the 20-30 years, that having a heredity problems like diabetes, heart disease, that may be uh, get lower chances. The like now the infant quantity of the semen and the ovum which carried through this information will be better, and ultimately it affects to the new generation like genetic problems and all. By doing this yoga exercise by experts one, it carried through this information and will be better. It affects by yoga. Then we will discuss what is the chances of the female and the male problems who have like miscarriages and why it is happen the infertility. In female, we will go for the female first. The female age should be below 30. If above 30, there is a high risk mothers, or above 32, it's high risk mothers we call, because they got that smoking, alcohol, coffee intakes. Then physical is obesity, diabetes, heart disease, hormonal imbalances, thyroid, and kidney diseases. By psychological, it's marital or a relationship problems who couples having. Psychological problem are there. Guilty, feeling guilty, work stressed, past sexual trauma, self-confidence, and poor communication and the depression. It also impacts for the infertility. Who female having the PCOS, timing, and myths of the making love and pregnancy. Now we will go ahead with the male problems. The premature ejaculation. Then physical prescribed drugs like high blood pressure, medicines, antidepressants, then alcohol, smoking, and drugs abuse. Psychological causes is concern about the bed performance, marital or a relationship problems, depression and facing of guilt, work-related stress. It means the both should stop the smoking, alcohol, and coffee intake before 6 months while we are going to take a chance or conception. It should be you have to avoid both parents. Not only female have to stop these things, but both parents have to, because it affects on the male body too. Now we will discuss about the what is the ovulation. What is the ovulation? Most of the young girls that doesn't know what is the ovulation period. Ovulation period is the day from the menstrual cycle, day 1. From that day, the 10th day to 12th, 10th day to 22nd day, still that is the ovulation period. That is called the ovulation period. Most of young girls called they got confused what is ovulation, what is affects and all. By a study showed that incorporate yoga into daily life helps to lower stress, anxiety, regulate the body function, and support a semen production. It needs the researcher ultimately concluded that yoga can improve the male and female reproductive health and may help to prevent the infertility. It is the very important thing that a partner should communicate every day or every single day. By doing this, it uh, it lower the stress, or by communicating we are sharing our thoughts. It's very important. Just because of that, it will not affect on your body, on your mental stress. Now I want to share some screens, the which asanas can we can do. Vikas sir? Which asanas can do in the prenatal yoga routine for the preconception and even the pregnant lady too. There are total 37 asanas. There is a diaphragmatic breathing, Sufi rolls, half lotus, cow face, reverse prayer, seated butterfly, seated base. Next one. Total 37 asanas are there.
Hello.
Huh?
Yeah, Rajshree madam.
Yes. It's not getting, I think so.
The slide.
Yeah, next slide.
Okay.
Okay. A cow pose, a cat pose, then the neutral table or alternate arm lay, then hair, the modified headstand, and the rabbit sitting on a knees and downward facing dog. Next one. Ground best, form fold, thunderbolt, squat, raised arm, reverse table, supine double leg raise, bridge supported, supine cross, supine butterfly, dead bugs, standing spinal twist, gaze prayer, then a 5-pointed star and tree pose, and supported knee spinal rotation and triangle pose. Supine knee chest, fetus, car pose, eye gazing, and alternate nostril beating, lotus, and supine crescent moon. It's these 37 asanas are really very important for the preconception care and the pregnancy yoga. In this, by doing these asanas, we got the flexibility, blood circulation in the hip area. It is the more important for the blood circulation get in hip area. Now we will move ahead by doing the Surya Namaskar for the one round, and then we will do the meditation by sitting in comfortable pose. If someone wants to do with me, we will do the Surya Namaskar. It also affects the infertility. Let's start. It is also important for the yoga. If someone wants to do, you can join with me. The Surya Namaskar of one round, and then we will do the meditation. We will stand on the edge of the mat, one round of the Surya Namaskar. Let's start. Pranamasanam. Pranasana. Padhastasana. Dakshinashasana. Pranasana. Chirmanasana. Bhujangasana. Pranasana. Ashasanjalanasana. Padhastasana. Pranasana. Now, one more round. If someone doing with me, okay. One more round. Let's start. On the edge of the mat. Pranamasana. Hastottanasana. Padhastasana. Ashwasanchalanasana. Parvottanasana. Sarvangasana. Bhujangasana. Parvottanasana. Dakshinashwasanchalanasana. Adhastasana. Hastottanasana. Pranamasana. It also affects on the reproductive system of our body. Now we will sit in a comfortable pose, in lotus pose also. Or in a normal pose. We will do meditation of 5 minutes in Dhyana Mudra. Close your eyes. Breathe normally. Inhale. Exhale. Try to learn. Try to hear your breathing. Outside sounds, which is going. It may be your birds. It may be a vehicle. Now, You can relax your body, relax your mind. You can listen your heartbeat now. It is going fast. Thoughts are coming. It may be negative or positive. Try to focus on the positive things and negative thoughts, let it go. We have to go with the flow, with the imaginations, with the thoughts, with the day-to-day life. You are thinking about your family, friends, loved ones. All are fine. You are also fine. The focus on what you have and what you want to achieve. By doing this asana, meditation, it relaxes your stress. You are trying to focus on you, on your health. It is very important to get stress free. Getting your body in next level. And releasing the spools. Grab your palms. Put your palms on your eyes. Open your eyes behind your palm. And thank you. Over to you, sir. And thank you for listening me patiently.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such an informative and nice session. For your meditation. It's really good. Thank you so much. On behalf of Swasti Yoga family, we felicitate your presence. A big round of applause for Mrs. Rajshree ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Any questions, queries, or doubts? Please ask. For any feedback. Any question?
Yes, newly married couples or expecting to be married. Okay, all are welcome. Okay. So
Namaste,
everybody is
Rajshree ji.
Bankim ji.
Yeah, Rajshree ji is a very well-known, face in our daily, yoga
Yoga
sessions.
sessions, yes.
And I have to comment her for one quality. At times, I have seen that she is not feeling well, but she will be there, right? At that time to take the session. And I just cannot believe that how early in the morning someone will say, oh, I'm not feeling well, let me go to bed. So a great quality. And I think it shows the tenacity and perseverance and the determination. And good, today I came to know about your other talents and qualities as well. Thank you so much. Yeah, it was definitely informative. You know, for the new couples, as especially. But yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for your comments. And sir, my papa is in session right now.
Yeah, we will invite him.
Right.
Yeah, papa, put your video on. Wait a minute. Huh?
There's some.
You can continue your session. Papa is there.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes, namaste. Yeah, Shiv Prasad ji, namaste. It's really an honor and a great, a happy moment and delightful moment for all the family members of Swasti to see you. And as Bankim ji was saying, it's absolutely in Bankim ji's language, we have to say, Rajshree madam, the way in the Indian cricket team, we have a wall in the cricket team, Rahul Dravid is the wall of Indian cricket team. So in the same way, we have Rajshree madam. When she is there, yeah, I don't have to worry that tomorrow will there be someone taking the session or not. Yeah, we all have to be completely relaxed. So yes, a big round of applause. I would really invite both Rajshree madam and her father, Shiv Prasad ji, for the felicitation. So a big round of applause to.
Thank you, sir.
These beautiful qualities of Eka Tattva Abhyas, the determination, the patience that you have been having is really commendable and inspiring for all the other students who come up, and there's no age barrier for that. Yeah, right from Bankim ji to me, we all of us are always very much happy to see you, and the kind of dedication that you have. Even today, this week, there are a lot of problems, challenges that Rajshree ji you are going through, but still without giving any kind of, as Bankim ji said, you always try to turn the challenges into opportunities, and that's what is in the making of a great yogi. So hearty congratulations once again, and best wishes for your further journey.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Over to Shweta madam.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now, little bit about our next session. I would like to inform you all that on tomorrow, that is 27th of March, topic will be sustainable tourism and yoga by Mr. Tim Mag. I think Tim sir is also there, no? Okay. Hello, sir.
Yes, Tim, if you want to say a few words and invite everyone at a personal level, you can go ahead. Please unmute yourself.
I haven't done too many Zoom phone calls, but it's great to meet you all. And tomorrow we'll talk a little bit about how, yoga is more than just stretching, and how some of the other branches in arms yoga we can apply to places when we travel, and what is tourism, what is sustainability, and how can we put them together, and just talk a little bit about that. I'm excited to chat with you all tomorrow and dive into this a bit. So thank you for inviting me. I am honored to be here.
We are also excited, sir, to hear you.
Thank you.
So join us at the same time and same platform to get knowledge Share this knowledge with your loved ones, friends, family by sharing the link with them. Now I request to Rajshree ma'am, please end the session with the prayer.
Yeah. In comfortable pose, close your eyes. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviram Karvavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Love your palms on. I want to thanks everyone, and especially the Shweta ma'am and Vikas sir for giving me such an opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes, very nice, Rajshree ji. It's a wonderful session. I have seen you from your first day. Still, I remember your first day with your baby, adjusting everything, trying to manage everything, and you did actually very well, successfully completed the course. And with your dedication, after having lot many problems in the life, lot many obstacles are there, and overcoming that obstacle, you go ahead, whatever journey you pass and going on, it's very encouraging for all of us. So thank you so much, Rajshree ji, for today's session. It's a wonderful. I have seen a lot of changes within you from the first session till now, whatever you did and how you are performing. Your performance is excellently good and well dedicated.
Thank you. It's all about just because your board support actually. That I can't do anything that we are before without your support.
We are always there. The whole family is always there with you. Yeah. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining, and wish you a happy weekend. Bye-bye. Good day. Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Namaste.